Luto na ta. Japanese food na food pakapina na tog mirin. Gochujang, omibushi, and then peanut, and then ground pork. And of course with somen. First, kuhaan sa na to biso ang ato ang omibushi and then slice into small pieces. Okay, this is it. Na-slice na siya into small pieces. And then we're going to add mirin. 1.5. Mirin 1.5 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of kosaji, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and mix and then set aside. Mix well and set aside. Magluto tayo ng ground pork and then the bell pepper. Cooking minute. Add the bell pepper. Medium heat fire lang tayo. Tapos, yan, once cooked, add na natin yung sauce. Mix well lang. Tapos, mag-boil lang ng somen. Boiled na po na kasi. Ito na po yung pinaka-base ng ating ginawa. So, base is somen. Tapos, lagay natin yung sauce sa taas. Ayan, Diki Agari. Just finished. This is our finished product.
とピーマンの梅とピーマンのシャキシャキ感が楽しいあえ麺。今日は中華麺を使いましたけれども、もちろんそうめんやうどん、ご飯にもよく合います。この季節のランチに作ってみたい一品です。今日は豚肉で元気おかず3品教えていただきました。